Okay, everyone, what a calmer picture compared to yesterday. Look at this scene here. Pop-up thunderstorms fairly strong east of Porterville in Kings Canyon, but not here. However, the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for this area. Nothing like it was yesterday, but because of the ground that was already saturated, perhaps that storm there that's really not weakening that much. It's not as intense by any means compared to yesterday, but there could be some problems with that. Other than that, the storm track has moved off north into points northeast, well into Nevada. Clouds are gone. Humidity's down. Did you notice that today? You could tell, right? We're drying out a little bit. Relative humidity now 21%. That's better. 98 is our current temperature. That's also the high of the day. And that's our average for this time of year. Winds are west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. 95 up in Porterville, 84 in Tehachapi, 78 in Lebec. Not much wind here, thank goodness for the fire. 84 Fraser Park, 100 in Taft. So they did it again. We'll start collecting more hundreds, I think. Maybe not tomorrow, but Thursday and beyond. Wind speeds across the state, not bad, 17 to 20 miles per hour. Blowing in San Francisco, sustained at 20. And down south in San Diego, they must be freaking out. There's a wind, and it's 75 degrees, somewhere in there. 99 was our high today. There it is, just updated from the Weather Service. That happens between 5 and 5:20. So there it is, 1 degree above average for our high today. Also, Fresno at 99 and upper 90s, not bad in the desert regions because of the rain-cooled air that still lingers. 88 in Burbank and 96 in Paso Robles. 77 for downtown LA. It was hotter in Palm Springs, but nothing impressive for them. 106, San Francisco was at 69, and San Diego, 75, okay? Future radar, if you watch, this area will light up again as low pressure continues to develop, and the monsoon continues in Arizona, but not here. Maybe a chance of a thunderstorm near Yosemite early tomorrow, and that'll be about it. Northwesterly winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, but watch the arrows bloom here, or take off, whichever your preference. And we'll have windy conditions in the desert, probably around 20 to 30 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon, gusting out of the northwest in response to the low that's to the east. That's how it works. Out of the high and into the low. 67 for San Francisco, 80 up at South Lake Tahoe, maybe a chance of a shower in the morning. 98 in Yosemite, maybe a sprinkle in the morning. Fresno goes to 102. And as we slide south, temperatures here, 72 Santa Barbara, 68 for Pismo Beach. Low 60s in Morro Bay, and the same old thing. Morning gloom and afternoon fun. 83 for Anaheim, 105 in Palm Springs, and mid-70s again for San Diego. 98 for us tomorrow, most locations. Upper 90s, no question about that, but that's an average day. Overnight lows, upper 60s at the coolest spots to low to mid-70s for highs. All right, into the mountains, 95 Lake Isabella, and temperatures in Glenville almost 90, and we'll have another day of the mid-80s in Tehachapi. In the deserts, it'll be hotter because the moisture starts to leave and the air turns dry, and we start to heat up to perhaps 104 California City, and a little hotter perhaps in Ridgecrest as well. Air quality still unhealthy for sensitive groups tomorrow. In our 7-day forecast, some hundreds here and there, but no big heat wave, just an average next 7 days. The weekend ahead looks good and not as muggy as our past weekend, so enjoy that. Also in the mountains, temperatures will be bouncing around the mid-80s all the way through the weekend.
Pretty comfortable.
Yes, I bet.
All right, thanks, Colin.
You bet.